Yes, Jen McCabe was on the stand for an hour and a half yesterday and for 6 more hours today. And late today, the defense attorney said he is still not done with her yet. Now, Jen McCabe looked directly at the jurors as she told them how she had met up with Karen Read and John O'Keefe at a bar that night, that she later saw Read's SUV outside 34 Fairview Road, and that she was with Read the next morning when they found O'Keefe's body outside the house and in the snow. Under cross-examination, defense attorney Alan Jackson insisted that McCabe had lied, that she was changing her story. He pointed out differences between her testimony to the grand jury 3 years ago and what she's saying now. And Jackson said McCabe never told any of the officers on scene that morning that she'd heard Read say, "I hit him."
Every police officer that I spoke to, I tried to answer their questions the best I could. It took me hours and in some cases days to remember all the things that Miss Read had said. My mind, I was in a state of shock. But the minute I remembered, she said, "I hit him, I hit him, I hit him," I called Officer Lank.
Jackson also asked McCabe about going into the house after O'Keefe was found. She says she went into the bedroom of her sister and her brother-in-law to wake them up and tell them about what had happened. Jackson asked how it was possible that she didn't startle the family's German Shepherd. She says she never saw the dog. Now, a short time ago, outside the courthouse, Karen Read described McCabe's testimony like this.
It's just more of the same. Inconsistencies, every statement's different. Under oath, not under oath, with the cops are all wrong. This is very similar to what we saw a year ago.
Now, there was an unusual moment in the courthouse today. At one point, the court officers came into the courtroom and they told all of the reporters that we had to leave the courtroom. Then they told us that we had to leave, in fact, the second floor, that we had to wait on the ground floor here at the courthouse. The court officer said that the judge wanted to speak privately with the lawyers, with Read, and their immediate family members. They were behind closed doors for about 20 minutes, and when they came out, they provided no explanation. Live and dead, I'm David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.